Introducing GrabCAD Print Pro. GrabCAD Print Pro is here, and here are the features that are included with Pro, and be sure to request a free trial. WAM Accuracy Center. Pro users with access to 3D scanners can use the Accuracy Center to create warp-adjusted models and improve the part accuracy up to 10 times. Per part estimation for FDM. Estimating an FDM tray now shows a breakdown of material usage by body in the tray, and in addition to the tray summary as before. The estimates can be copied to the clipboard or exported to an XLS or CSV file. Position tool for FDM. The position tool allows you to precisely see and set the X and Y position of selected models. Assemble or dissolve for FDM. You can select 2 or more CAD or mesh parts and make an assembly from them, allowing you to arrange parts in new ways, such as nested within voids. 3D array for FDM. The array tool allows you to select 1 or more models and create an array, controlling the numbers and spacing in X, Y, or Z. The tool reports the number of models in the array, highlights models in green that can be printed and created, in yellow that are outside the tray bounds, and red that cannot be printed. Manufacturing templates. Create manufacturing templates to define, enforce, distribute, and use proven customer-defined project presets. Third-party plugins. Best-in-class complementary solutions provided by software partner plugins. Introducing AlphaStar for FDM process simulation and Caster and cognitive design systems for part manufacturability analysis.